Good morning, students. Today's topic is linkage. What is meant by linkage? Linkage is the close association of genes or other DNA sequence on the same chromosome. What is meant by linkage? Linkage is the close association of genes or other DNA sequence on the same chromosome. The closer two genes are of each other on the chromosome, the greater the probability that they will be inherited together. If the genes which are present closer in a chromosomes may inherit together to the next generation. So this is called as a linkage. The example for linkage are 23 linkage groups in a human being, 7 linkage groups in sweet pea and 4 in Drosophila. So the linkage is the close association of a genes or other DNA sequence of the same chromosomes. The genes which determine the character of an individuals are carried by the chromosomes. So the genes which determine the characters of an individual is carried by the chromosomes. The chromosomes are present inside the nucleus. The genes for different characters may be present either in the same chromosomes. So the genes of different characters which are present either in the same chromosomes, that is gene 1 and gene 2 are present in the same chromosomes, or sometimes it may be present on the another chromosomes, gene 1 and gene 2. So if it is the genes which are responsible for some characters are present in the same chromosomes or different chromosomes present in different chromosomes, when the genes are present in different chromosomes, they assert out independently. According to Mendel's law of independent assertment, if the genes are present on the different chromosomes, may assert out independently. But later that biologists concluded that certain genetic characteristics that did not assert out independently in other organisms. So according to Mendel's law of independent assertment, that the genes which are present on the different chromosomes are independently assert with each other. But later it was concluded that different biologists that the genes which are present on different chromosomes does not assert out independently in some organisms. One of the best example for that is was proposed by William Batson and Punnett in sweet potato Lathyrus odoratus. In sweet potato Lathyrus odoratus, William Batson and Punnett in the year 1906 first crossed the two homozygous strains of sweet pea. One is a purple color flower with long pollen, which is a dominant character, with the another homozygous variety, red flower and round pollen, which is a recessive characters. Though the purple flower with long pollen is the dominant character and red flower with round pollen is the recessive characters. When a cross is made between these two in the F1, all are purple flower with long pollen. Parental generation. A cross is made between a male plant purple flower with long pollen is a double dominant and red flower with round pollen is a double recessive parent. When a cross is made between these two and the F1 hybrid, all are purple flower with long pollen. When this purple flower with long pollen F1 hybrid is crossed with a double recessive parent, red flower with round pollen, the F2 generations is 4 different characters are seen. According to Mendel, the test cross ratio is 1:1:1:1, but the observed ratio in this cross is a 7:1:1:7. In this, the parental characters are more compared to the hybrid. So according to Mendel's ratio is a 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1, that is in a equal proportion according to the law which was proposed by Mendel, that is law of independent assortment. But the absurd ratio in this class is a 7 is to 1 is to 1 is to 7, that is more number of parental characters are obtained compared to the hybrid. So here there is no, the independent assortment is seen among these characteristics. So the genes for purple color and long pollen grain and were found to close together in the same chromosomes. Similarly, the red color and the round pollen grains were found close together in the same homologous pairs of chromosomes. So these genes do not allow themselves to be separated, so that they are not assorted independently. So this tendency of a gene to stay together during separation of chromosome is called as a linkage. That is, the genes which are closely present cannot assort out independently, because these genes are linked genes. So the linkage, that is the genes responsible for purple color and long pollen grains and the genes responsible for red color and round pollen grains were found to be close together in the same homologous chromosomes, so they does not assort out independently during gamete formation. So because they are linked genes, so this is called as a linkage. Linked genes. The linked genes are the genes located close together on the same chromosomes and inherited together is called as a linked genes. The genes which are present close together, which are inherited together to the next generation, is called as a linked genes. Unlinked genes, the genes which are present sufficiently far apart together are present in two different chromosomes are called as a unlinked genes or syntonic genes. So the genes that are present sufficiently apart from each other, or it may be present on two different chromosomes, are called as unlinked genes or syntonic genes. Such condition is called as a syntony. So what does mean by syntony? The genes that are sufficiently far apart on the same chromosomes are called as unlinked genes. Either it is present on the same chromosomes or in the two different chromosomes. They are called as unlinked genes or syntonic genes. This condition is called as a syntony. It is to be differentiated by the value of the recombination frequency. So if the recombination frequency value is more than 50%, the two genes shows unlinked. When the recombination frequency value is less than 50%, they shows linked genes. So in between the linked genes, the recombination frequency is very low. So recombination means recombined character. Different characters are recombined with each other. If among the linked genes, the recombination frequency is very low. When it may be unlinked genes, the recombination genes may be high. So the closely located gene shows strong linkage, while the genes which are present far apart means it shows a weak linkage. So the closely linked gene shows more linkage. When it is far apart means it shows a less or weak linkage. Next topic is coupling and repulsion theory. So the two dominant alleles, that is capital A and capital B, or the two recessive alleles small a and small b, are occur in the same homologous chromosomes. They tend to inherit together into the same gamete, that is capital A and capital B, small a and small b, they tend to inherit, that is passes to the next generation into the same gamete are called as a coupling or cis configuration. So what does mean by coupling? The two dominant, that is capital A and capital B, and two recessive, small a and small b, they are present in the same homologous chromosomes. They tend to inherit together, that is it passed to next generation into the same gamete, are called as a cis configuration or coupling. Trans or repulsion or transconfiguration. If a dominant, that is capital A, and a recessive small b, or small a and capital B are present in two different but homologous chromosomes, tend they inherit apart. Both the recessive and the dominant genes are apart into different gamete during gamete formation, are called as a repulsion or transconfiguration. That is, what is meant by repulsion? If both the dominant and also the recessive, the dominant and recessive are present on the two different but homologous chromosomes, they inherit, that is it passes apart, far apart into different gametes during gamete formation, is called as a repulsion or transconfiguration. Alleles in coupling or cis configuration. For this experiment, Batson and Punnett taken purple flower with long pollen, that is double dominant parent, and a double recessive red flower with round pollen is a double recessive parent. So capital B, so capital P, capital L, and capital P, capital L, small p, small l, small p, small l is the genotype of a parent, the homologous parent. During in the F1, all the F1 hybrids are having purple flower with long pollen. When the F1 hybrids are crossed with the double recessive parent, that is test cross, in the test cross, the heterozygous F1 is crossed with the double recessive parent. In the gamete formation, the less chance of crossing over due to linked genes, that is the purple with long pollen is a linked genes. Due to that, the frequency of the gametes are less in number. In this F2 generation, the linked genes, non-recombination progenies are predominant. So according to Mendel's dihybrid test cross ratio is 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1. But here the observed ratio is 7 is to 1 is to 1 is to 7. Here the parental progenies, that is like their parent, are 44, and the recombined new characters are only 6 and 6. The parental is 44. So in this coupling, it shows the more parental character compared to the F1 hybrid. This does not follows the Mendel's law of independent assortment, because these two alleles, that is the dominant alleles, are present on the same homologous chromosomes. They tend to remain inherited to the next generation. They shows only less amount of new characters. This is called as a coupling or cis configuration. In alleles for repulsion, that is both the dominant and recessive are present on the two different but homologous chromosomes. They inherit apart together, different, they remain separate during the gamete formation. So the purple flower with round pollen, that is F1 hybrid, is taken as a parental character, and red flower with long pollen, purple flower with round pollen, and red flower with long pollen. Among this, one is a dominant character, other one is a recessive character. That is, the two recessive and dominant are present on the two different but homologous chromosomes. So here the F1 hybrids are purple flower with long pollen. So once again the F1 hybrids are crossed with the double recessive parent. In this cross also it shows the recombinant progenies are 6 and the parental characters are more in number 44. And the recombinance frequency is 6. Here the absurd ratio is 1 is to 7 is to 7 is to 1, but the expected ratio is 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1, that is the Mendel's test cross ratio. Here also it shows more parental character compared to the F1 hybrid, that is either the dominant and the recessive alleles are present on the same homologous chromosomes. They tend to separate together during gamete formation. They separate out and they shows more parental character compared to the progeny character. This cross is a repulsion or trans configuration. Mendel's dihybrid test cross ratio is 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1. This is based on the Mendel's law of independent assortment. But here the coupling ratio is a 7 is to 1 is to 1 is to 7. That is, it shows more parental character compared to the hybrid character. That is, the coupling test cross ratio is 7 is to 1 is to 1 is to 7. Repulsion test cross ratio is 1 is to 7 is to 7 is to 1. Here also the more parental character compared to the hybrid characters. So kinds of linkage based on the presence on or absence of a new recombination of linked genes. D.H. Morgan proposed two kinds of linkage. One is a complete linkage, another one is a incomplete linkage. The linkage means the tendency of the genes to stay together during a separation of chromosome. So here, on the basis of their presence or absence of new character or new combination of linked genes, Morgan proposed a complete linkage and incomplete linkage. A complete linkage, here complete linkage means there is no new characters are obtained, all are only parental character is seen is called as a complete linkage. If the chance of separation of two linked genes are not possible, those genes always remains together. As a result, only parental combinations are observed. The linked genes are located very close together on the same chromosomes. Such genes do not exhibit crossing over. That is, the genes which are closer together are remains inherited to the next generation without any separation. So this type of linkage is called as a complete linkage. So what does it mean complete linkage? A complete linkage, if the chance of separation of two linked genes are not possible, those genes always remains together. As a result, only parental combination are observed, but the linked genes are located very close together on the same chromosomes. Such genes do not exhibit any crossing over. Here there is no new combination of characters are present. This phenomena is called as a complete linkage. So complete linkage is rare, but it is reported in male Drosophila. C.B. Bridges in the year 1919 discovered that the crossing over is completely absent in some species of male Drosophila. So the Drosophila is an example for the complete linkage. Complete linkage in male Drosophila. So there are the male having red dyed vestigial wings and the female is purple eyes with long wings. So the genotype is capital R, small I, that is red eye is a dominant over the purple eye. but the vestigial wings is recessive. The long wings are dominant. That is, the one dominant and one recessive are present on the different but same homologous chromosomes, small r, capital L. So in the F1 generation, the young ones are red eyes with long wings. That is, the two dominant characters are seen. Red-eyed, long wings. When a test cross is made between the red eye, long wings with the purple eye, vestigial wings, in the F1 generation, in the F2, in the F2 generation, only the parental character are seen. There is no any new recombination may occur. That is, here the complete linkages occur. That is, the two genes that is present on the same chromosomes are linked genes. These are inherited to the next generation without any separation. So there is no new combination of characters are seen in the F2 generation in Drosophila. So the genes are inherited to the next generation without any crossing over. So such genes or linked genes, this is complete linkage in male Drosophila. In the F2 generation, red-eyed vestigial wings and purple-eyed long wings, that is the parental characters, are only observed. There is no new combination of character is present. That is due to the linked genes. That is, complete linkage is seen in male Drosophila. Incomplete linkage. If the two genes are sufficiently far apart, the chance of their separation are possible. As a result, the parental and non-parental combination are observed. That is, the linkage takes place between the genes which are present in far apart, that is unlinked genes. Here there is both the parental and non-parental combination characters are observed. The linked genes exhibit some crossing over. This phenomena is called as a incomplete linkage. So it was observed in maize plant. It was reported by Hutchinson. The incomplete linkage was reported in maize plant by Hutchinson. Incomplete linkage in maize seed. The parental characters are colored full seed is crossed with the colored shrinker seed. Colored full seed is crossed with the colorless shrinker seed. So colored full seed is a dominant over the colorless shrinker seeds. In the F1 generation, all are colored full seed, that is dominant character is obtained. And the test cross in the F2 generation, there are 4 different characteristics are formed. That is colored full seed, colored shrunken seed, and colorless full seed and colorless shrinker seeds. All are in the that is parental at 48%, 2% and 2%, and 48% of parental characters are obtained. 4% of recombinant progenies are obtained. Because of that, this genes shows less amount of linkage. So the incomplete linkages example is maize seed. In incomplete linkage, the linked genes exhibit some crossing over. Because of that crossing over, 4 different characters are seen in incomplete linkage. The next topic is linkage groups. In linkage groups, the groups of linearly arranged linked genes on your chromosomes. Naturally, the genes are arranged linearly on the chromosomes on a particular position is called as a locus. So this arrangement of the linked genes in a chromosome is called as a linkage groups. In genetics, all the genes on a single chromosomes, they are inherited as a group. That is, during cell division, they act and move as a unit rather than independently. It's called as a linkage group. So the linkage group means the groups of linearly arranged linked genes on your chromosomes. In any species, the number of linkage groups corresponds to the number haploid set of chromosomes. For example, the human being possesses 46 chromosomes. So the linkage group is 23 sets. Similarly, Mucar possesses 2, the linkage group, that is haploid set of the chromosome is called as a linkage group. Mucar 2, Drosophila 4, that is the number of diploid chromosome in Drosophila is 8. Here the linkage group is 4. Sweet pea 14. Here it is a 7. Neurospora 14, 7. Maize 20, 10. So in any species the number of linkage group corresponds to the number of haploid set of chromosomes. Linkage and the crossing over are two processes that have opposite effect. So in linkage there is no any new combination of character is present, but in crossing over the new combination of characters are seen. The linkage keeps particular genes together, but crossing over mixes them. The crossing over shows a new combination of characters due to mixing of genes. Linkage and crossing over. The genes present on chromosome stay close together. Crossing over leads to the separation of linked genes. Linkage involves some chromosomes of homologous chromosomes. So it involves same chromosomes of homologous chromosomes. So crossing over involves exchange of segments between non-sister homologous chromosomes. Here the new combination of characters are obtained by the mixing of non-sister homologous chromosomes. The linkage, it reduces new gene combination, but crossing over increase the variability by forming new genes combination leads to more new organisms, formation of new characters or new organisms is crossing over.